Hello traders, today we're looking at the Cumulative Momentum Indicator for MetaTrader 4. This oscillator was developed by Tushar Chande in the early 1990s and is designed to measure momentum shifts over time. I will load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks like in real time. The indicator appears or displays in a separate window beneath the main price chart as a green line oscillating above and below a zero level. When the green line is above zero and rising, that implies positive or bullish momentum. As we can see here, this is the zero line and it crosses it on another main price chart. We can see bullish momentum while the green oscillator is rising. When it is below zero and falling, that implies negative or bearish momentum. As we can see again, this is the zero mark or the zero scale, and the green oscillator line is falling below it. While if we look over to the main price chart, we can see a bearish momentum. Zero line crossings are the key observation point, as they cross from below to above may suggest a shift toward bullish conditions, as you can see here, and a cross from above to below may suggest a bearish shift. If you look at its settings, you can see its length, price, and moving average length and method, which you can adjust to suit your trading style, and also change the color of the line and the width. The indicator is suitable or ideal for scalpers and day traders operating in fast-paced markets. It works well for both beginners and advanced traders. However, it is a visual tool and does not execute trades. In trending markets with little pullback, zero-line signals can lag, and in choppy conditions, false crossings are possible. Always use it alongside additional confirmation. If you want to download the indicator, you can download the Cumulative Momentum Indicator from the link in the description below on the Forex Geek website. Like the video if you enjoyed it or found it helpful, and subscribe and hit the bell for more educative content.